In this video, we will see how we can sort the array element either in the ascending order or in the reversing order. And the sorting is done on the basis of string value. Let us see how we can achieve the string sorting, number sorting, and date sorting, and also the reverse format of these three values. Let's say we have the string array with values toys, play, good, any random value. Let's see the output. Let us also print the original values. Let us run. So values is toys, place, goods, fruit, desired value, and the sorting value is on the basis of alphabetical. It is fine, and the reversing order will be this. So this is how we can sort the string values, or we can reverse. Let's see how we can reverse the numeric values. So this is our number array. So in case of number, we have to define Let us see the output. So when I am sorting 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 44, 77, and on the reverse order, it is coming like this. Now let us try to sort the date values. Everything is also working on reverse. Let us try to create the date array. Let us say I am saying 1999 December of 2nd December of 1999. So these are the 4 values. Let's say this is 2000, month will be 11, day will be 17, 6, and this is suppose that 1998, month 10, day 21, and this is suppose that 2001, let it be, and we now going to use the same way we have applied on the numeric. Here we need to define dates. Save the file, and so the values are like 2000 2nd of January, and whatever we have defined 2000 of 17 December 1998, so we have 2001, 2000, 1999, 1998. These are the 4 values. 1998, 2000, let us try to define the string of date by selecting the date like this, and then we will see the output. Okay, now see the output. 1999, 2000, 98, 2001. 1999, 2000, 1998, 2001. In short order, 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, and in descending order, that is your reverse order, 1, 2000, 1999, and 1998. So this is how we can sort the string and in the form of reverse sort, and we can sort the numeric value and we can reverse the numeric value. We can sort the date and reverse the date. Thank you so much.